Artech 21 Genuine Nature Leather Case for Samsung Galaxy Note 5. Inspired by the luxury brands in fine leather workmanship, Artech 21 crafts phone cases, tablet/iPad/laptop cases, and other accessories for personal technology. As our tradition, every piece of our products is made with real genuine leather by leather artisans who care about both leather materials and craftsmanship. Timeless design, real genuine leather and artful workmanship combined with our heritage make tailored, contemporary styles for personal technology. The combination of high-quality genuine leather, the hardened plastic interior and the reinforced corners give this designer case remarkable stability and excellent grip. The case's precision fit still allows permanent easy access to all ports, buttons and cameras of the phone. Artech 21 logo bearing case made of premium Italian genuine leather provides luxury looking and definitely will be aged much brighter and more beautiful. High quality durable flexible TPU soft inner holder will secure your phone in the case, makes it easy to install and take out the phone. Wallet function with I.D credit cards slots and money pockets stand feature for entertainment. Classic vintage looks with excellent stitch and handmade details that will make sure this case lasts longer than you can ever expect. Mini invisible magnetic closure makes the case closed flat. 1-year limited warranty from Artech 21.